your girl Camille J, and we're here at the BNC Studios Music Festival. I'm reporting for the L Spot, but I'm here hanging out with Trauma Radio. Hey, how y'all doing tonight?
What's going on? Star Jones on the check-in.
They're definitely one of the sponsors for this event, and without y'all, it wouldn't be possible, so I really want to thank you guys. So how important is it that we have these type of showcases?
It's very important because there's a lot of people out here that's not being heard anymore. So like that's the main reason why we're here. We're here to push the underground scene. We have shows that's dedicated to it. We do artist placement, artist development. We do it all.
Yes. And how do you guys feel specifically, Trauma Radio? How do y'all make a difference?
I mean, basically our show caters to up-and-comers. So basically we want to be a plateau and a stepping stone for all up-and-comers. So that's our main objective and our prime goal, is just to, reach out to that demographic, and help them first and foremost.
Definitely. So what do you think of some of the performances so far?
I mean, it could be better. I'm looking for some great performances. They could definitely step it up, because that's what I want to say. I want to see artists put their all into the music. If you're going to do it, put everything in it, 100%.
So what catches your eye?
I'm a big production nut. I want to hear quality in your music. I don't just want to hear you as an artist. I want to hear the whole production behind it. So, along with stage presence and crowd involvement, I want to hear the quality in the music. I'm a tough critic.
Alright, you artists, you guys better take note. You got a lot to show and prove out here tonight. Well, it was great speaking with you guys. Again, it's Camille J with Trauma Radio from the L Spot and BNC Studios Music Festival. We'll talk to you guys later.